Artificial intelligence is no longer a future concept. It is already transforming how we live, work, and make decisions across every industry. From healthcare to agriculture, from finance to education, AI is reshaping the world. Welcome to Lecture 4. In this lecture, you will learn major application areas of AI, how AI is used in different industries, real-world examples across professions. AI in healthcare. AI is revolutionizing healthcare by improving accuracy and efficiency. AI is used for disease diagnosis, medical image analysis, drug discovery, patient monitoring. Example: AI systems analyze X-rays and MRIs to detect diseases such as cancer at early stages. Its impact includes faster diagnosis, improved treatment outcomes, reduced human error. AI in business and finance. AI helps organizations make smarter decisions. Applications include fraud detection, risk assessment, customer analytics, automated customer service. Example: banks use AI to detect unusual transactions and prevent fraud in real time. Impact include increased security, better customer experience, improved efficiency. AI in agriculture. AI supports modern farming through smart technologies. Applications include crop monitoring, soil analysis, weather prediction, precision agriculture. Example: farmers use AI-powered drones to monitor crop health and optimize irrigation. Impact include increased productivity, reduced resource waste, sustainable farming. AI in education. AI is transforming how people learn. Applications include personalized learning, intelligent tutoring systems, automated grading, learning analytics. Example: online learning platforms adapt content based on student performance. Impact include improved learning outcomes, flexible education systems, better student engagement. AI in transportation. AI improves mobility and safety. Applications include autonomous vehicles, traffic management, route optimization, predictive maintenance. Example: navigation systems analyze traffic data to suggest the fastest routes. Its impact includes reduced accidents, improved efficiency, time savings. AI in manufacturing and industry. AI enables smart production systems. Applications include automation, quality control, predictive maintenance, robotics. Example: factories use AI to detect defects in products during production. Its impact includes increased efficiency, reduced downtime, improved product quality. AI in retail and e-commerce. AI enhances customer experience and business operations. Applications include recommendation systems, inventory management, customer behavior analysis. Example: online stores recommend products based on user preferences and history. Its impact includes increased sales, better customer satisfaction, personalized experiences. AI in security and defense. AI improves safety and risk management. Applications include surveillance systems, threat detection, cybersecurity, autonomous defense systems. Example: AI systems monitor networks to detect cyber attacks in real time. Impact include enhanced security, faster threat response, reduced human risk. AI in smart cities. AI supports urban development and efficient city management. Applications include traffic control, energy management, waste management, public safety. Example: smart traffic systems adjust signals based on real-time traffic conditions. Impact include reduced congestion, improved sustainability, better quality of life. AI in entertainment and media. AI enhances creativity and user experience. Applications include content recommendation, video and music generation, gaming AI, virtual reality. Example: streaming platforms recommend movies and shows based on user preferences. Impact include personalized entertainment, improved engagement, enhanced creativity. Artificial intelligence is not limited to one field. It is a universal technology that applies across all industries. Why this matters to you? No matter your profession, AI will impact your field. Understanding AI helps you stay competitive, improve efficiency, make better decisions, innovate in your career. Conclusion. In this lecture, we have explored applications of AI across industries, real-world use cases, the impact of AI on society. Artificial intelligence is transforming every sector and shaping the future of work and life. In the next episode, we will explore AI tools and platforms. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.